Hi there, Stacy from Stanley Young Business Strategies here. I get asked this question a lot, and that is, I need to credit a client, but I only actually need to credit them the taxes. So how do I do that? So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually fairly easy. We're going to go into New, and we're going to create a credit memo. So from here, what you're going to do is pick the customer that you are needing to credit. In this case, I think I have Bugs Bunny as a client here, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to choose today's date, but remember that QuickBooks is very date driven, so whatever date you choose, that's the date that it's going to show up in your financial records. Depending on what product or service that I am crediting, I might have a service date. In this particular case, I'm going to choose extermination services. And what I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with what I should have, what I'm going to credit them for. So what I did charge them. So in this particular case, I charged for extermination services, and I did charge them Manitoba PST as well as GST, so the 12% taxes together. Then my next line, I'm going to choose extermination services again, and I'm going to have either I'm going to put a minus quantity, -1 at $95, or if you don't have quantity in your books, you can go minus the amount, in this case $95, and I'm going to put in the tax that I should have charged, which would have been simply GST. So in this particular case, what I'm actually doing is ultimately crediting the PST, but by putting those two lines, it does not screw up our tax module, and it allows us to be able to capture that correctly. So this is a way, especially when you're dealing with PST, this is a great way of being able to offer that credit, offer that to the client, and correctly input it into your books. These two lines, the original credit and then the new charge, are going to offset each other in the journal entry. And the only thing that's being billed, or in this case credited, is the PST. And then you can go ahead and save and close on that particular credit. If we were to go back to that credit memo, I'm just going to use my time traveling device here, and I go to more and I go to transaction journal. I can see the debits and credits. Once the system catches up to me, I can see that the debits and credits have my accounts receivable credits, $6.95, the two income accounts, one's a debit, one's a credit. So again, it just offsets one another. And then of course it will debit into the PST payable. So what we are needing to then pay to that government agency at the end of the month. As always, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is clientcare@stanleyyoung.ca.